Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In this video, we will see what are operators in the language Java. So, operators are the special symbols in Java that mainly perform operations on variables and values. Suppose if you take a plus b, here plus is an arithmetic operator that performs an operation on A and B. So here A and B are operands and plus is an arithmetic operator. So this arithmetic operator is used to perform an arithmetic or mathematical operation on operands A and B. Okay, here you can see forward double slash. So these forward double slash are comments, single line comments in Java. So comments are used in Java to know what a code is actually performing, and these comment lines will not get executed by the compiler. They are used in order to understand what a code is actually performing. Okay, so at now we will see what are arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators in Java are used to perform basic mathematical operations. So arithmetic operators are like addition, next subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So these are the arithmetic operators that we can see in Java. So now let us focus on how to write a code to perform all these arithmetic operations using the arithmetic operators. Okay, and arithmetic operations we need two operands. So let us take int a is equals to 2 and int b is equals to 4. So here a and b acts like a operands in arithmetic operation. So now we need to make use of all the arithmetic operators like plus, which is an addition operator, minus, which is an subtraction operator, into, which is an multiplication operator, and so on. So try to print system dot out dot println. So at first, using the plus operator, it gives us the sum value, right? Sum is equals to, that is a plus b, right? So it gives us the sum value using the plus operator, which is an arithmetic operator. Now let us try to copy it and paste like this. So we'll be having 5 arithmetic operators, right? So here give a minus, and here give a into, okay, and here give division operator, and here give modulus operator, which gives us the remainder. So here 7th line gives us the sum and 8th line gives us the difference, okay, and 9th line gives us the multiplication value, that is multiply, and 10th line gives us the division value, that is division, and 11th line gives us the modulus, where it gives us the remainder value. Okay, so this is how we need to write the code. Now let us try to execute it. See, as you can see here, this is the output that we can see. Here this is the sum, that is equals to 6, because a is 2 and b is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, and difference is minus 2, because 2 minus 4, that is 2 minus 4 is minus 2, right? And next one is multiply, that is a into b. 2 into 4 is 8, so it giving the 8. And next to operation is a by b, that gives us the division, it gives us the quotient, right? So 2 by 4 means 0, okay, and the last operation, that is modulus, where it gives the remainder, that is 2 by 4. So it gives us the remainder, that is 2. Okay, so this is how we need to perform arithmetic operators. So instead of here directly initializing the values to variables, we can give the values during the runtime, but we need to make use of scanner class. So during the runtime we can give the values to it, right? So how to use scanner class? At first we need to import the scanner class, that is import space java dot util dot scanner. Okay, and now we need to create the object for the scanner class, that is scanner. Let the reference variable be scan is equals to new, which is a keyword used to create an object, followed by scanner of system.in. Okay, now here into a variable we are trying to give a value during the runtime, right? So int a is equals to, using the reference variable that is scan dot, we will be having a method that is next int in order to read a integer value. So scan dot next int. Okay, similarly for b also, int b is equals to scan dot next int. Okay, so for better understanding, here give system dot out dot println enter a value. Similarly here give system dot out dot println, here give enter b value. Okay, now try to execute it. See, it is asking us to enter the a value. So let us take a value as 4. Now enter. It is asking us to give b value. So let us b value be 2. See, this is the output we can see. Sum is 6 because 4 plus 2 is 6. Difference is 2 because 4 minus 2 is 2. Multiplication, that is multiply, is equals to 8 because 4 into 2 is 8. Similarly, division is equals to 2 because 4 by 2 where the quotient is 2. That is the reason division is equals to 2. And modulus. Modulus gives us the remainder. That is 4 by 2, which gives the remainder as 0. So this is how we need to make use of scanner class in order to give the values during the runtime. So this is what about arithmetic operators. So this is all for today. Thank you.